Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can get the gem egg and grow a garden. There are two ways you can get it. You can go to the pet eggs section and you can wait for it to be restocked. It is down here. I don't know how much it costs. It's a prismatic egg, but you are able to craft it easily using just common coals, I think, and one common egg. And it costs 1 million shekels. These are all the pets you can get: topaz snail, amethyst beetle, emerald snake, sapphire macaw, ruby squid, and diamond panther. So here you can craft it by getting coals here and then submit all, and I'm just going to start crafting. And that is pretty much it really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.